Welcome to CVC Crafter vs. Crafter, where cosplay crafters send each other challenges. Hi, welcome to CVC. My name is Robert, and I'm here with Ricky, a local crafter. Ricky is mostly known for crafting armor using rubber foam. Some of the works were from characters from Gundam and Iron Man. So hi, Ricky.
Hi there.
Hey, Ricky. Ricky has agreed to be part of a CVC challenge. The challenge here is that we both exchanged patterns to craft and see which one did it better. I sent Ricky an EVA-01 Evangelion face mask cover of a design that I based from a free mask pattern on the internet. And face mask covers, if I were to explain, are usually designs that you put over your usual face mask. Ricky, can you tell me what you sent me?
Yeah, it's a pattern of Star-Lord's mask from Guardians of the Galaxy. By the way, I just noticed, Rob, your design only shows Unit 1's jaw.
Since it's just a face mask cover, which is basically covers just the jaw, it only makes sense if I incorporate that part of the design. Alright, so this video, we would be commenting about our techniques and also for you to decide which one wore the masks better. So yeah, so here we go.
Okay, so this is how I plan to go about Robert's challenge. A face mask of the Evangelion Unit 1. So, as you can see, the first thing I did was print out the patterns. The patterns are already built to scale an average human chin. First thing I'll be doing is cutting each of these one by one and tracing them here and cutting them. Since we're going to be just using one pattern, I don't need to cut both sides. So to save on time, I'm just gonna cut one of these, easy, there, and then cutting this little triangle, and trace it. Easy. Now one thing you gotta be consistent with is, you just gotta be careful. Flip it over and do the other side. Just draw the triangle already. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and we just need to simply cut it. So now we have those little flaps below the ears. Okay, so you guys won't get bored. What I'll be doing is I'll be doing it for the rest of the other parts. That took quite a while, so here are all our cut parts. So we have here the lower jaw, upper jaw, ears, and flap on ears. Next step, what we're going to be doing is sticking all of these in place one by one according to Robert's instructions. I didn't throw away the cutaway papers yet because it does show where to put which part. So what we're going to be doing is following each of these. Since I brought this first, I might as well start with the lower jaw, because it was the most tedious part to cut on account of all those teeth. You guys know what the Unit 1 looks like. Yes, it has a lot of teeth. Rep already dried out, so I'm just gonna have to improvise. So first things first, let's try the teeth. Have to be really extra careful here on account of these are really small parts. And that's what it looks like. Then, let's do the upper jaw. Now one thing about Robert's instructions here, it doesn't exactly show which goes where, so we'll just have to make up our own interpretation of this. Not a problem. I hope. This here somewhere. Alright. And to preserve the shape. Okay, so one thing I noticed about Robert's instructions is there's no instructions how to put the pegs in. Because according to, as far as I can see, the idea is it's a face mask. Alright, so I kind of made a mistake, but it's not really noticeable. Dab and stick. So we practically already stuck all the main parts, so save on time, I'm just gonna cut it first and I'm going to get back to you guys when it's already completed. Okay, so this is the finished product. Now I did run into a little roadblock because I noticed this little part in Robert's instructions. It's supposed to go here, but I can't see where this is here. Tried cutting the part, I tried putting it wherever, so I have no idea. So sorry Robert, I just had to scrap that, and I just stuck it wherever. So this is the finished product. So yeah, this is Robert's challenge of an Evangelion Unit 1 face mask.
So I'm basically making a Star-Lord mask. Doesn't look like a full helmet, but it's okay. Mask is a mask, so let's do this. Patterns are extremely useful when you plan to create particular shapes and sizes. It's like a puzzle you put together. Many patterns are created through trial and error, so it's not a surprise that patterns are often sold as valuable commodities. There are also several crafters who upload it online for others to use for free, so I'm particularly grateful for them. Alright, done with the paper patterns. Now to put it on rubber sheet. Well, I think I should have printed this on a sturdier board instead of just regular paper, because when I tried to trace the pattern over the rubber sheet, the paper kind of like moves around too much because it's not heavy and it bends or folds, press it down too hard. So yeah, maybe in the future I'll try to print this out in a thicker board so it'll be easier for me. Despite using soft materials such as rubber, they also are capable of dulling blades in time, so you have to keep on sharpening or replacing the blades every other project. Otherwise, it'll be difficult cutting precise lines and might end up being frustrated over wasted work. Well, all I can say is that you really need a very sharp knife when you cut rubber sheet, because the smaller the details, the harder it is, especially for the curves. I actually have a very hard time doing curves, so yeah, you really need a lot of patience here. Cutting work can be very repetitive, so make sure you rest your hands and wrists every now and then. By doing this, you avoid getting the shakes, or pasma as we call it locally. Notice the tool I'm using to cut circles? It's called a circular cutter, and are extremely useful for cutting circular shapes. These are usually available in your local bookstore or craft shop. It may be a bit expensive, but it's worth owning, trust me. And here we go. I cut up all the pieces, and now, how do I assemble this? Oh yeah, I was given just one page, and that's it. I'm left to my own devices. God, you Ricky, you're making my life hard. Okay, so one of the things I noticed here is the pieces. Yeah, they're all in pieces. So you have to have something to keep them all together. So I guess I have to cut some rubber sheets here to create some sort of a backboard. Yeah, especially on the mouth grill, because I don't know. Look at that. Look what I'm doing. I'm just putting it all together. It looks like an insect. Ew, insect on my mouth. Well, anyway, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, it doesn't really look good when it's just flat, so I have to put a bit of layering. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm just gonna add some layers to it, put it one over the other. The pattern suggests I have to put them all together and whatever sides or exposed sides, put them, attach them. But I feel that I don't think it's gonna look good, so I'm gonna do it my way. You know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna do it my way. Okay. Here. Not bad. Not bad. Everything seems to be going. I don't know, going together. I don't know. Don't know how you say it. Huh. Now it looks good. It looks 3D. It's so hard to interpret it based on a piece of paper that looks flat. There we go. Right. Now to wear it. Let's test this. Let us know in the comments who you think wore it better. And if you felt this video has been very helpful, I welcome suggestions, and links to the free patterns can be found at the description.
Hey, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.